The president of the Honest Party, Eugene Khoza, addresses the nation about how he plans to reduce overcrowding in prisons in order to reduce the spread of COVID-19 during lockdown.
South Africa. Research shows that 43.7789.5% of our constituency is in prison. And out of those, only 2.33,1845 have been arrested on attempted charges. As the Honest Party, we've decided, if you are arrested in any charge that has attempted attached to it, you will be given a presidential pardon. Because why should you do a crime for something that you attempted to do? We will attempt to arrest you. We will attempt to charge you. We will even attempt to send you to prison. Just like you, we will fail. I'm Eugene Khoza, and I'm your man in parliament.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.